2, 1.
Everybody named mother gotta come out here, yo. God damn, like for real, but no, check this out. Samari Hope, aka MunRogue, hanging out with my little brother who was a producer, yo. Doing my first trucking solo gig on Tuesday. Just wanna document tonight what we doing, how we gonna be packing up for the truck, dropping some beats, some music, making some songs.
We in there, we in for business. That's what we're about.
Yo, not the shot the screen, bro. Yo. I'm just know what's on here. Some money about to make some move. Let's get it. Let's get lit.
It's Kevin Katana, and I make beats. Myself, I grew up in Baltimore City, a very terrible place, honestly. Everyone gets shot. I make music because this is my life, and this is what I feel. You know, can't play around with this. This is what I do. I don't even gotta say nothing. This is literally what I do, nigga.